Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sunroof, hill descent control, bed liner, skid plates, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlet, Bose sound system, compass, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.